I'm gonna go really fast to go meet my daughter, her boyfriend, my mom, and her boyfriend Luke's grandma and mom for our grandma mom lunch, and Dave and Bliss will be there too. But I still have to curl my hair because it's very dirty and gross. I just got the new Chlorine non-aerosol spray in the mail yesterday, so I'm gonna try this. I'm gonna apply this now and I'm gonna let it sit because it has a lot of work to do. And then at the end, I will brush it out and curl my hair. Just so you know, I'm looking over here a lot because my mirror is right here because I'm not that talented to do my makeup 2.5 feet away from my face. So with the non-aerosol, it just, you can shake it. Whoops, and it like puffs out. I am not necessarily afraid of the quality aerosols. Like Chlorine has a great aerosol. I have no worries about it, but some people are, and I just love the fact that we have options. Okay, so I'm just going to rub that in. Okay, so we're gonna let that sit, and now I'm going to do my makeup. I told you guys before that I recently had laser, so really important that I am protecting my skin, which I do every day, especially at 45. It's just really important. I always do a drop or 2 or 3 of the Palmafera Rose Anti-Age Serum. I just do it under my makeup, and I just kind of tap it in. My Isden eye cream. I'm just gonna use a tiny little bit this morning because it just does such good things for my under eyes. And it makes your, oh my gosh, it makes your under eye feel so good. Like dark circles, puffiness, uneven skin tone, fine lines. I've been using this all year and I'm completely obsessed with it. Then I'm gonna follow with Isden's tinted sunscreen. I love this stuff because 1, I love the tint, and 2, it pairs so well with makeup and you don't get that greasy sunscreen look that so many sunscreens give. And this is a mineral sunscreen, which I highly recommend a mineral over a physical. You guys can do your own research on that, but it's just in my opinion, way better option. I have studied and researched these sunscreens for the last 15 years, and anytime anybody asks me how my skin is, the elasticity of my skin is so good at this age, and this is my first laser I've ever had, was 2 weeks ago, but I credit it to the sunscreen I have used and just making sure I use it every single day. I use enough. If I know I'm going to be in the sun a lot, I wear a hat. I mean, I really try to do the best that I can. Very thin layer of Beauty Counter's Skin Twin, and I'm using the shade 240. It's the tiniest little bit light, but I still really like this shade. I'm going to add the 320 soon. I just haven't done it. I'm actually gonna add quite a few shades because I just want to really learn these shades because I'm obsessed with the formula. I mean, the formula is so good. All right. And just because I'm using Saint Highlight and Contour over top, this does not have to be perfect. The level 2 collection, the size 8 level 2 collection, I'm going to start with adding some warmth to my skin with tan lines. And again, I am just putting this on. I'm not making it pretty yet because I will blend later. My contour next, I'm going right under my cheekbone just to enhance that bone structure under there. And I'm gonna add some across my forehead. So yeah, I'm using my brush this whole time. Sometimes, most of the time I apply with my fingers, but I always want to show people you can apply with your brush too. There's no right or wrong way. And I'm using Candlelit today and White Peach. I'll put the White Peach right in the inner corner of my eyes and the outer corner. And I'm going to do a little tiny bit right there and then down my nose. Yeah, that's good. Okay, sorry, my hair just being so greasy and big and unbrushed is driving me a little crazy. Okay, so now I'm going to take the round end of the 3D brush and I am just going to blend. Just blending. And when you use a little bit of that skin twin, a little bit of that oil as a skin prep, I mean, it just blends like flawlessly. You have the prettiest finish ever. Color corrector. These are my color corrector shades. I'm using 01, and I'm just going to kind of tap it in the darkest area right here, just to color correct a little bit extra, because I'm actually a little bit right there. And it makes a huge difference. A little tiny bit of Beauty Counters powder with one of these triangles. You can find all these products on my Instagram page, my Like to Know page, and if you ever go to my highlight bubbles on Instagram, the links and everything are there. Even though just know, lately, Instagram's been having some issues with their links and stories for some reason. All right, now before I put my blush on, I'm switching to doing my lipstick just because sometimes I feel like if your lipstick is done, you can have a better idea of how much blush to put on. And this is suede shoe, nude beige. And this is how I love to apply my liner. I go lower than my lip line here, then I stay on my lip line as I get to the corner, then I fill in my Cupid's bow, then I stay on the line over here, on the line, and then I kind of draw a circle with the lip liner like this, and I fill in everything outside of the circle, if that makes sense. And then I keep this area. I'm just gonna do this now just to show you. I use Gerard Cosmetics eyeshadow primer on my lids to just get a really true to tin eyeshadow shade, and this stuff is so great. It keeps your eyeshadow so nice without making it tight. And if you have aging eyes like I do, it's really important that your eyeshadow primer does not make your lids tight, because that's not a good look. Okay, so, oh, I forgot what I was gonna do. So then I take a tiniest little bit and I put it on the inside of that circle. And then, I don't always do this, this is just fun, randomly showing things. And then I am obsessed with the Peony Beauty Counter Beyond Gloss. It is the prettiest neutral pink gloss. You can always just feather it out just a tiny little bit. But anyway, so once you have your lip gloss on, then you can go put your blush on. I just feel like it gives a better idea of how much blush to wear. And I'm using Plum. I'm gonna go up here first, and then I'm gonna just tap it up, kind of like a C. Just remember, you don't have to meet that contour line. Sometimes if we go down and meet that contour line, you get this just like patch of something right there. You don't think they have to go together, because they're actually like different things. Like your contour and your blush are different areas. I just have talked to people and they're like, should I do like contour and then immediately blush? You can, but they're actually different things. And lately, like the look is tapping your blush over your nose for that kind of wintry look. And then I'm gonna go back with a little bit of the Cindy, which is a creamier blush. Do that. Do the little up and over. And yeah, I think that looks good. Now let's do eyes, and then once you do your eyes, you can see eyes and brows. And I'm doing a very quick brow because I don't have time. I'm just filling it in with Anastasia's Brow Wiz. And this is just taupe. This is like a really, really, really neutral shade. And when I do this, I brush my brows down and then I kind of create the line and then I kind of get them going back. And yeah, that's good enough. Very, very simple brow. Eyeshadow. Yep, I'm almost ready.
What time is it?
I don't know. And people always ask me the lash curler that I use. This is the Tweezerman Pro. I love it. It's my favorite shape of lash curler, but make sure you find the one with the grips. The grips, it's just a safer way. And also holding on to your lash curler like this and kind of just pressing your lashes is also a safer way. This is one of my favorite mascaras right now. It's by Sochi Beauty. Oh my goodness. It gives the prettiest, most feathery lashes. I adore it. And it comes in, you can buy refills for it. Just a fantastic company. I found it about a month ago and love, love, love. I know I share lots of different mascaras, but the reason why I do is because mascaras all do different things. If I were gonna go for a super showy glam mascara look, I would use either Beauty Counter or Ilia Beauty Fullest Volumizing as my base layer because they are very, very bold, thick, voluminous lashes. This is a very soft, just beautiful, feathery lash. I love it, love it. I always top my mascara with a tubing mascara. This is my all-time favorite by Guide Beauty. This formula is just incredible. The company is incredible. The formula is incredible. There are other tubing mascaras, but this one is by far the best. I may not have time to do my hair, and that's okay. All right, I'm back. I still have 2 minutes. Oh wait, I forgot to brush out the. Okay, looks like I'm doing a 30-second hair curl. Okay, so whenever I do a 30-second hair curl, I only concentrate with the hair really around my face because that's the only hair that matters, right? Quick. And there's one more area that matters if you're going quick, and it's this area under here because a lot of times that is in pictures. All right, that's okay, but see this area right here? So I'll just hit that really quick. All right, good to go. Have a great day, guys. Bye-bye.